How's it going, everyone? It's Rick here with UTVSource.com. Today's a pretty special day. Today, the brand new KC HiLiTES FLEX ERA 3. It's a pretty cool light. I got to see this light about a year ago during the R&D process with KC HiLiTES. I've been with Team KC HiLiTES for about 5, 6, maybe 7 years now. It's been a wonderful working relationship with that company. 50 years in the business, 50 years making off-road lights. Lifetime warranty. It's a great company. Anyways, let's get into the lights. Guys, this is the case that I got. It came in a Pelican case, a little collaboration with KC and Pelican. You're not gonna get this case. I'm sorry. I wish you could because it's insane. The presentation is rad. But you're gonna get a really nice box. And they worked really hard on that presentation as well. So enough of it, let's see the light. I'm gonna put this down. Quick little teaser. Kind of get the idea here. This is a very interchangeable, customizable light. Let me show you. See if that doesn't fall. This is it. This is sick. So a couple things you're gonna notice right off the bat. It's interchangeable. The lensing, just like the Flex Series light, you get to change the rings to red, to blue. You can order it separate. The extra rings. Boom. That's one. Second thing you're gonna notice is this is a spot lens. It's a spot. Pretty cool. Well, they thought of everything. Just pick up the other lens. It's interchangeable. You can go from a spot to a spot flood combo. It's pretty sick. Got the little logo in there as well. Something that's also very unique to this light is the shape. This is 3 high output LEDs. This little light is going to kick out 3,700 lumens. This little light. They're sold in a pair. They can be mounted multiple ways, like this or like this. And when you flip it upside down, you change the shape again. Very unique way to mount a light. Got a lot of throw on it. Adjustability. Let's talk about the plug. Heat shrinked, weather pack. Comes with the harness. So sick. It's not heavy. This is a really, really dope light. A couple other features you're going to notice off the bat is on the old Flex, it was very like machined back on it, right? It had this very machined look to it, and you could link lights to it. Well, on the new Era 3, this is it. So you can buy in pairs or singles. It's just a really cool light. Lifetime warranty, 50 years in the business. Pretty cool. But there's more. And I think I have it right here. So with the light, you're gonna get the cover, just like the Pro 6 cover. Protect your lens from rock chips, or if you're street legal, cover it up. But there's more. Also, you can order up the amber lens cover. Same thing. Want to cut the dust? That's it. That's all you got to do. This one light has so many features to it. It's insane. So I'm super pumped. I'm going to get this on the UTV Source Turbo S Polaris build. I actually took off our Flex that we just put on. I'm gonna rewire it and get these up in the front bumper and go from there. So guys, this is a really dope light. I can't stress enough how much of a fan I am of KC HiLiTES. The customer service, the lifetime warranty, the creative thinking, family owned and operated business. It's rad. So, and UTV Source gets to offer it to you first. I'm gonna get some night shots up for y'all, and we're gonna go from there. So thanks for tuning in. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow us on Instagram at UTV Source. Follow our stories. Subscribe to our email list. As you can see, we got a lot of cool things going on. Game changer once again. So, see you guys in a bit.